this is an automatic appeal that comes with that murder conviction, specifically concerning that of DCF worker Lara Sobel. The defense asking the Supreme Court to give Herring a new sentencing hearing, one where she might be granted eligibility for parole in years down the line. Now, her attorney says that the court held her history of trauma against her. The defense brief details that she was abused throughout her life, including rape, and went through the death of her father when she was young. They argue that she was never properly treated for her mental health issues, and her attorney argues that Herring was experiencing a mental health crisis at the time of these murders. He says those factors should make her eligible for mercy of the court. The state, though, says the sentence is appropriate. The Solicitor General says the pangs of this murder are still felt throughout the Department of Children and Families. He's the state's #2 prosecutor and says her history of avoiding treatment did not warrant leniency. Alice, each side painting a very different picture of Herring's remorse.
I think important to note here is the absolute lack of remorse that she exhibited up until she was facing sentencing, where her statement of regret amounted to, "I'm sorry."
I think what should carry weight is Jodi's tearful apology at the sentencing hearing, expressing her sympathy for the families who had lost so much.
Now, Herring was not in court today. The video here that you're seeing now is from her a couple of years ago. But I also spoke with Lara Sobel's father following the hearing. He was very reserved, Alice, limiting his responses to just a couple of words. But he did say that they're hoping the justices would uphold this conviction of life without parole. For now, we're live in Barrie. Tom Garris, NBC5 News.